Hi, DIYers, do you know what's inside an NVR? Today, we're unboxing the Hikvision embedded NVR DS-7600 series, a popular choice for home security, small business monitoring in Australia. Alright, let's see what's inside. First up, the familiar accessories: USB mouse, power adapter, power cable, and an Ethernet cable. Everything you'd typically use for a basic NVR setup at home or in a small office. The manuals and safety sheets are here too. Now for the main unit, the NVR itself, solid build. Clean look. On the back you'll find PoE ports for your cameras, HDMI, VGA outputs, USB ports and LAN. And that's everything that comes in the Hikvision DS-7600 box. Ready for common CCTV scenarios like home surveillance retail or cafe monitoring warehouse or workshop security office or small business setups. That's everything that comes in the box. If you want a recommended recording modes, storage tips and scenario-based settings, check out the blog on our website. For genuine Hikvision NVRs and CCTV cameras in Australia, visit S Market, 3-year warranty and local support. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.